Welcome to my channel. My name is Prince Joseph, your Shafizo, PJ, and today we are making Piña Colada. Piña Colada was invented in Puerto Rico in the 1800s. Can you believe that? But you know what? Since then, everybody has altered the recipe. There's the original recipe and also the recipes with a twist. And today, my recipe is with a twist. We just like to make Piña Colada fun. Alright, we don't want to take away from the authentic Piña Colada. We just want to make it fun. So this is a fun one that we're about to make. So stay tuned and let's go. As you already know the ingredients, I think I have 5 ingredients today. Sounds like a whole lot of ingredients. But guess what? We have the main ingredient, which is we have the pineapples here, we have lemons here, right? And also the third ingredient is coconut milk or cream of coconut. I'm going to use cream of coconut, and also I'm going to use a Piña Colada cocktail mix. The fifth ingredient, I forgot to mention that, ice, which is not really an ingredient. These pineapples are all frozen. I'm just going to make a Piña Colada that resembles a little bit of a slushy. If you live in a tropical area, maybe you're in Puerto Rico, or you're in Mexico, or you're in Africa somewhere, Ghana, you can enjoy it all year round. Let's get into it and make this quick and easy Piña Coladas that you can make whenever you want, and particularly when your friends show up, you can show up with what I'm about to show you. Let's do this. Piña Colada cocktail mix. Let's try to squeeze the lemons in. Coconut cream or cream of coconut. This is actually cream of coconut. This is the right one to use. So this is how we're going to do it. That looks like a pineapple slushy. Let's just add the rest of our pineapples in there. And the last lemon.